I got up at 6 a.m. and then finally rolled out of bed at 6:23 to take Isabella to the doctor this morning, hence the no makeup, the hair, and the glasses. But she's not feeling well, so I had to reschedule that, and I figured since I'm up, I am now at Walmart. Yes, I am gonna get some grocery shopping done, and I'm gonna try to do that really quick. And I just was saying good morning to you guys in today's vlog. You're just gonna be joining me today and spending the day with me. I got some orders to do. I have 4 orders that need to be done, so you'll be going along with me while I get the stuff for that and hopefully get them all done. Okay, I'm gonna go into Walmart. Okay, I am done. I didn't put you guys in there. Honestly, I wanted to get in and I wanted to get out. I am really pretty good about spending the $100 to $150 a week for food. Today I did $177 and it was a lot of junk. I don't like buying that stuff, but I do it because the reality is my boys are super hungry, and when you put bananas and apples and stuff like that, well, they don't really eat that stuff. I'm just gonna be honest, they're picky eaters, and I've done everything that I can possibly do to try to get them not to be picky, but that's a totally different video. Please no judgment. But mama boys, especially 4 boys, 4 growing boys, I'm telling you what, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. I'm very thankful. I'm just disappointed that I spent that much money. Stuff that I bought for me was fresh salsa, a big bag of broccoli, some fresh chicken. Yeah, I think that was it for me. I think that was it. Yep, that was it. You know how it is, how quickly it happens. So I got stuff for their lunches. So that's always expensive when I buy stuff to make their lunches. Yeah, I make good lunches for them, like ham and cheese sandwiches, turkey and cheese, a bag of chips, a little juice, and then a snack, because they get snack later, and that's usually peanut butter crackers, and then maybe like a little sweet, like an Oreo or something like that. So when I get home, I will try to show you guys everything that I bought. It just depends on how crazy it's going to be. I was able to get in there, and I'm already leaving, and it's been 39 minutes, so that's not too bad. And I'm really bummed they did not have the stuff I needed. I needed the grapevine wreaths. I don't usually get them at Walmart, but they are the same wreaths that you buy from any other place. They didn't have any. Michael's didn't have any, so I'm going to have to hit up Hobby Lobby today. I've got 4 wreaths that need to be done, and I need grapevine wreaths. I'll tell you. So this is everything I got. I got these 2 pizzas, frozen hash browns. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Lunchables. Usually I make my own, but I didn't want to today. Some snack peanut butter crackers, Velveeta cheese, this kind of cheese, some frozen lima beans, 2 boxes of Cheez-Its, some Go-Gurts, chips, waffles, mozzarella sticks, frozen chicken, chicken strips, mixed veggies, cheese dip and salsa, chicken nuggets, and then 2 boxes of cereal, orange juice, cookie snacks, onions, chicken patties, coffee, broccoli, sandwich, banana, honey mustard, olives, chicken broth. These things, I think they're so gross, but they love them. Okay, so here's the stuff I got. I just picked up things that just caught my eye. I had to do so many of them, it was hard to separate everything. So I got 2 of these, 1 of these. I'm not going to use this for today's wreath. But this I am. Maybe this, maybe these. And then I got, here are some of those things. And then I really love like these. I'll show it to you, like these icy, snowy, really beautiful. And then some hydrangeas. I will show you guys how I make each one. So this one here, this is just, someone asked me to make her just an inexpensive little wreath, and that is what I'm going to do.
Always beating around the bush, never reach your bottom line. We're talking like we're strangers. I don't know you anymore. Seems you're always in a rush. Feel you're always on your way. We're acting like we're strangers. I don't know you
love the sparkles. You guys have to excuse the light in here. I'm in my garage. It is super windy outside. And then I'm gonna put a big old bow on it. Call it a day. She wanted something really, it's a gift, but just to hang on the door. She wanted it super like, this one's only $25. Like that, with the bow on the side. And just play with it a little bit. I kind of like to turn my leaves up just a little. See? That's how I like to do it. And now I'm gonna have to wire everything in. That's one down, 3 to go. Guys, I was so disappointed because I finished this wreath. I finished the Mickey Mouse one, which you are going to see in just a second. Then I went back and read my customer's text to me, and I guess I skimmed through it and didn't realize that this particular wreath was actually supposed to be a year-round, everyday wreath. So I ended up having to take it completely apart and start over. So this is the bottom part of the Mickey, and I wanted to go ahead and get this done. This is supposed to be more of a traditional wreath, and you'll see with me, I have like a similar flow with most of my wreaths. So I added a nice hydrangea and this beautiful poinsettia. Something was kind of, it just wasn't flowing with me, so I took it off and put it on here, and I love it. I added these here because I love the frost. Found this little piece here in my mix, and then added some greenery that I got tonight. My mom and I ran up to Michael's real quick to get some more stuff, and I was able to add more things to finish this off. And I'm thinking we're getting there. So far so good, and so the ears will go here. So now I've done this part, and I've added pieces, and now I'm going to hot glue these two sections together, and then I'm going to wrap them with jute because it's going to need more stability. To make its little Mickey ears, and then I have a really sparkly pretty bow that will go on her just like that. So I'm excited to show you guys that. that baby down. Okay guys, I am done. Mickey, or Minnie, is done. This baby back here is done. I have 2 more to do, but I am done for this evening. So I am sweating in this garage. I need to go shower and go to bed. I have an early appointment again in the morning. So I'm glad that you guys got to hang out with me today during this vlog. Just a day in the life, just kind of hang. Let me know if y'all want to see any more Christmas crafts this holiday season. Just let me know in the comments below what kind of stuff you guys want to see. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas vlog, and I will see y'all in the next one. Oh, and let me know, do y'all want to see more cleaning, more vlogs, more crafts, DIYs, cooking? Let me know what you guys want. I'm listening. I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.